Patenting innovations in 3D printing prosthetics. 3D printing has a transformative impact on prosthetics, revolutionizing customization and accessibility. This introduction addresses the unique patenting challenges and opportunities in this innovative domain. Understanding the landscape of 3D printing in prosthetics requires a deep comprehension of user needs and staying updated on the latest technology and materials. Prototype early and frequently to refine your innovations effectively. Collaboration with experts and institutions is essential for success in 3D printing for prosthetics. Prioritize patents that support broader missions and drive innovation. In patenting essentials, define criteria for patentability, including novelty, utility, and non-obviousness. Conduct thorough prior art searches and meticulously document the innovation process. When crafting a patent application, detail the innovation comprehensively using diagrams and illustrations. Ensure your patent claims are clear, comprehensive, and strategically crafted. Overcoming challenges involves addressing potential objections preemptively and staying engaged and responsive throughout the patent application process. Future considerations include exploring the role of AI in prosthetics and addressing the challenges it presents. Additionally, discuss emerging innovations like sensory feedback mechanisms. Monetization and IP protection strategies include licensing, partnerships, and vigilant safeguarding of intellectual property. Emphasize the importance of continuous research and development investment for long-term success. Contact us today to streamline your patent process and safeguard your innovations.